How do you play a video file for the people who have joined your meeting? Well, right now, I'm going to demonstrate it using the video file that I have here. Now, I have a meeting which is already on, a Zoom meeting. So all I need to do is to click share. And usually we start here where it says screen. So you have to navigate to this tab which says advanced. You click on video file. Before you go forward, make sure that you choose share sound. You can also choose whether it's mono or stereo. It's all about quality. Also choose optimize for video sharing, because this video is being played over the internet. So it optimizes it so that the people there can actually get better quality and it plays quite well. After you do this, you then click share. It will prompt you to choose the file that you want to play, and then you click open. The good thing about having to share the video file here is that you have options to play or to control how the video plays. You can change the volume of the video for your clients, or rather for the people who are in the meeting. You can also play or pause. You can actually move where the video is if you want to get to a certain place. This allows you more flexibility. So once you finish sharing, how do you stop the share? There's a second tab which has been created here. So all you have to do is to click the close button there, and then you stop the share. This is how you do it. Hope the video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and also subscribe to the channel for more information in the future. If you feel that you have topics about Zoom that you'd like me to create videos on, please leave those in the comments.